The A487 through Lower Town Fishguard regularly grinds to a halt. What should be a short, straightforward journey too often becomes a source of frustration, wasted time and genuine danger. Heavy goods vehicles frequently ignore clear signage, banning them from this stretch of road, causing Lower Town to become gridlocked. Properties have been damaged and pedestrians and vehicles are forced to share the narrow bridge over the Afon Gwaun, a situation that presents an obvious and unacceptable safety risk. This road is a vital lifeline for residents, local businesses and tourism and emergency services. Yet congestion is no longer an occasional inconvenience, it is a daily reality. I've been in regular contact with Fishguard and Goodwick Town Council who share these serious concerns. As the A487 is a trunk road, responsibility lies with the Welsh Government. I've raised these issues repeatedly over many years, but despite some talk, there has been little meaningful action and the problems persist. We need a long-term solution. That means properly assessing traffic flow, listening to local experience and investing in measures that improve safety and reduce delays. Whether through better traffic management, clearer and enforced routing for heavy vehicles or a carefully planned infrastructure upgrade, inaction is not an option. I'm calling for a clear, evidence-based plan delivered with urgency. Fishguard deserves roads that work for people, not against them. Let's move this forward together. I want to know your views and experience of travelling through Lower Town, so please spend a couple of minutes completing my online survey and let me know what you think about this important issue.